Hello, today we're going to cover how to add your OTAVA repository to your Veeam Backup and Replication Console. Once you have your Veeam Backup and Replication Console open, you'll want to navigate over to the Backup Infrastructure tab. If you do not see the Backup Infrastructure tab there, you can just select it from the drop-down below. Next thing you'll want to do is go over to the Service Providers tab within the Backup Infrastructure part of the Backup and Replication Console. You will then want to hit Add Service Provider. There are two things that you'll want to take account for whenever doing so. You will want to have your gateway and your credentials that you would have gotten from OTAVA in an email, welcome email, or from any of the texts that you might have talked to get to this point. Once you have your gateway entered, you will want to consider the checkbox below. If you would like to use the OTAVA Veeam Service Provider console to be able to see and manage any of the jobs that occur on your Backup and Replication console, you will want to check this box. And then once that's complete, you will end up seeing that server under Backup Servers inside of your VSPC account and any of the backup jobs associated with it in the Backup Jobs tab. Once you've gotten past the gateway screen, you'll be provided with the screen to add your credentials. You'll want to hit Add, and then use the provided credentials that you would have gotten from OTAVA. If you do have disaster recovery with your account, you will want to include the VSP or the vCloud account in that login as well. Otherwise, just normal repositories, the username and password, it'll just be the username. You don't have to include the company name or anything else, and then the password associated with that. You'll then hit Next in order to connect to the service provider, and it will then display for you what is a part of the account, the name, as well as the capacity, and then whether or not you have WAN acceleration turned on. You will then hit Apply, and this is just going to save that service provider to your account so that you will then have a cloud repository available for use. When you see updating remote management setting, that is specifically referring to the VSPC side, where it is going to upload the information from this backup server into our VSPC. After that is completed, it will start doing a service provider rescan, which you can close out considering there will be nothing inside of the repo when you first add. Then you should see in your backup repositories a cloud repository available for use.